Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, unlock the device and confirm it has at least 20% battery so the process won't interrupt. Connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data because location lookups and sync require network access. Next, find and open the System Settings app, usually a gear icon. Once inside Settings, use the search bar or scroll to the relevant section. Look for Location, Security, or Find My Device. This first step gets you into the menus, where the device visibility and tracking controls live. Once done, go into Location or Privacy to enable location services and grant app-level permissions. This is required so the device reports its position. Then locate the Find My Device or similarly named toggle and switch it on. Make sure both device and account options are active. Sign in to the device account, Google, Apple ID, or manufacturer account, and verify the device appears in the account's device list. Make sure location accuracy and background access are allowed so tracking remains. Finish by verifying the setup. Open the service's web portal or companion app and confirm the device appears with a last known location. Test actions like ring, lock, or play sound to ensure remote commands work. If the device doesn't show, reboot it, ensure OS and service updates are applied, and recheck location and account permissions, sometimes signing out and back in fixes sync issues. If problems persist, enable diagnostic logs or contact support, but first try toggling the key permissions and restarting the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.